Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We're missing the chat once again. Here it is. We've got Honorarium first in the chat. Honorarium, Frank. Honorarium, Frank. Honorarium, Frank. Gorilla, Frank. Honorarium, Frank. Honorarium, Frank. Honorarium, Frank. Master, Honorarium. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. We got James Taylor, we back, baby. Oh yes, we got Geoped, we back. Dark Bro, tell us about the date. Geoped didn't hear about it this afternoon, man, so make sure to tell Geoped about it. Dark Bro, there you go, man. Let's check the market out and see what happened so far today, guys. By the way, okay, this is that coin that I was telling you about. I did buy some of it. I got in at like 1.9 cents or 1.2 cents. A little bit after the video that I posted on it yesterday, and I'm very happy with it so far. I did not get a lot, okay? I did not go out there and buy a lot of this coin so that I have to worry about it or lose sleep over it, because even though it's a sponsored video, right, I don't know what's going to happen with the coin. I don't know if it's going to go up tomorrow or down tomorrow or any of that. So I'm not going to go out there and invest my life savings into it or anything. But I'm very happy with this price action. I mean, it's had, what, 2 dips over the last 24 hours? You guys can see it right there. It had a dip here where it went from 2 cents down to 1.2 cents. This was, I think, 80. Where's the volume here? This is bird's eye. I don't know where the volume statistics are. I was looking this up on Dex Tools. The volume on this candle, and maybe I got to add volume to the chart. But this was about an $80,000 5-minute candle. And major sell-off, yes, and then right back up. It took about 15 minutes, and it came right back up to these 1.9 cent levels. And since then, man, you had this little dip right here, and it just keeps rolling higher. Currently sitting at 2.8 cents. So, very happy with this one. Hold on, guys. Let me text my mom real quick. She's calling me twice. Just let me send her a text real quick. I don't know what's going on here. I called her right before the live, so that might be why. Okay. Got that. But nonetheless, yeah, this coin is looking good. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure to pull it up through the description in the video. The link that's in the description of the video. I do get credited with link clicks, and they're going to make a decision if they want to sponsor future videos based on those link clicks. You don't actually have to buy it. You don't have to do any of that stuff out there. They're going to make the decision based on link clicks. So check it out if you guys want, but man, the price action is crazy so far. In the meantime, let's look at AMC. AMC is sitting at 409 at the close today. It is up 3.93%, but kind of sad to say up at 409. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 923 points per coin, pretty stagnant this afternoon. GameStop 1436, up 2% on the day today. Bitcoin sitting at $45,450. Pretty volatile afternoon, coming back down and then bouncing off those 44,900 levels, and to currently sit testing 45,600 again, but maybe getting rejected off of this level here as it is currently sitting at $45,444. The overall market, the NASDAQ today, doing very well, closing up 0.25%, 15,793 points. Dogecoin, 8 cents. Ethereum, 24.25. Shiba Inu coin, 922 points per coin. Bitcoin, $45,437. The SPY sitting at 498. QQQ 432. You get Mullen Auto 687. Sundial $136. Netflix $558. Highcraft Mining $1.91. MPW $328. Tesla $189. Amazon $169. Coming back down a little bit, closing 0.40% lower on the day, and $188.32. For a 0.5% loss on Apple there. We're definitely going to watch Bitcoin be playing out in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Bro, date went very well. We went for a walk and just talked. There you go, honorarium. That's the best kind, man. Second date already planned. You have a date for the second date, Dark Bro. Let's see. A working labor job and listening in. Hello, everyone. Ro the Great. Glad to have you in here. Even though you're listening, man, and you might not be that active in the chat, we are very glad to have you in here. And a shout out to anybody that's working right now that can't necessarily type in the chat and be as active as you would like. Thank you very much for having some fun with us and listening as your day's going on. So, Ro, man, shout out to you. Greetings to Johnny Quest. Gas fees right now are ridiculous. You know what, Giovanni? I haven't looked at gas fees. If you're talking about the Ethereum network, what are they running right now? Check out Syra Health Corp, 347%. All right, let's check it out, man. This is a little pharmaceutical stock, I assume. Let's see what we got here. All right, SYRA, Syra Health, right? Oh my gosh, dude. A 336% gain today. But, dude, it was about double that price earlier today at $8.37. So, that's actually, that would have been nearly, what, a 500% gain? Jeez, dude. Going from lows, I don't even know what number this is because it's covered up here. But the low, 81.2 cents, just about 2-3 weeks ago on January, what is this? January 16th, 81 cents. Touching $8.37. The stock 10xing since January 16th there. Absolutely wild, man. Now, look, I don't like pharmaceutical stocks that much, but this is an interesting one. Unless it gapped down. No, this is a newer stock here. So they must have IPO'd recently, had a very tough go of it, and got some news here. What was the news? I don't know what the news would have been. They must have had some sort of positive trial or something like that. That is a huge gain in any stock for the day, 300+%. But yeah, man, the bulls pushed it all the way up to $8+. The bears brought it back down, and profit taking brought it back down to $4.85. But Russell, man, were you in the, what do you mean where clay emoji right here? You can't see me. The profit taking brought it back down to $4.85 at the close there. Hey, bro, Smog, I picked up some yesterday when you were speaking about it during the live stream. Up already almost 50 bucks. Hey, Johnny Quest, man, very, very nice, dude. And you know what I like about that, Johnny Quest? If you're up 50 bucks, I mean, people in here can do the math, right? If you're up 50 bucks, the 2 cent mark, you're at about 3 cents right now, roughly a 50% gain. That means you went in with probably roughly around $100. Maybe 1 Solana or so would have been the amount that you were trading there. And that's awesome, dude. That's awesome. I don't consider that, and I know a lot of people might, but it's up to you. I wouldn't consider that a huge risk. I would say that's a reasonable risk on something like these little coins that you never really know about. But congratulations, dude. A $50 gain's a $50 gain, man. Even if you chose to get out right now and made your 50 bucks, that's going to cover your lunch for a few days. That's going to cover your dinner, man. A nice night out. So I'd say you're doing pretty good, Johnny. And very, very glad to hear that. Hopefully you did click on the link yesterday that I had posted at the top of the page. And you know what? I'll do it again today. I'll post that link. Let's see if I can get that link up here pretty easy. Just in case you guys... No. Hold on. I gotta go copy that link again. I don't want to post the entirety of the description there. And you know what? Look, I know a lot of these videos, guys, if they're sponsored and so on, a lot of people think that, they're guaranteed to go up, or I'm highly endorsing them and stuff like that. First and foremost, the only thing I ever want to see being promoted or endorsed anywhere on my YouTube channel or anybody else's YouTube channel is doing something that you guys are comfortable with, right? Johnny Quest, if you were comfortable with going out there and making a $100 investment or a $100 trade in it, perfect, man. If you guys weren't, perfect. But the more you do, if the more people that do click that link that's right there, the better chance they have of sponsoring another video, which would be very nice to see. But I appreciate you, man, for letting us know that you got in, you made some money. I did get in yesterday as well, and I'm glad it's nothing but green today, man. I actually might add a little more if it dips down like those major red dips you see on the screen. I might add a little bit more if that happens, but no, I'm comfortable right now, and I'm glad to see that they're going up for day 2. A lot of times you'll see these little coins kind of die out on day 2, and that's not what we're seeing with this one. So that is a good sign so far. I don't know, Russell, did you say that you were in Sierra or not? If you are, man, congratulations, making a killing on that that pharmaceutical stock right there. Magic carpet ride, heck yeah, Moji. That would be a perfect second date if that's what you're talking about. Let's see, Geo still looks the same to me. Actually, we had another buyer and new holder. You might want to refresh it. Sierra received a 75 billion federal. Holy moly, Russell. Yeah, that would be some very, very good news there. Johnny Quest, we don't need Paul Swap. It's just something that would be extremely useful for us. Meme coins don't need anything, Honorarium. Meme coins just need the fact that they are not going to rug to be something absolutely special in the meme coin category. That's why I want to utilize it. Heck yeah, Honorarium. Okay, thanks for the info. No problem, bro. So, how did the kitty get out, and where is she? Yeah, I don't know how she got out. I got to put an SD card. So I got like I got Wise cameras all over the house, and I don't have an SD card in that one, so I can't go back and scrub through the footage. And I'm trying not to bother her right now. But dude, there's no sense in having her. Hold on. There's no sense in having her down there, but she's literally just chilling right here right now. So yeah, she just doesn't want to leave your side at all. I mean, you guys can see her down there, right? She just doesn't want to leave your side at all. So she's sitting right here having a good old time and getting to know all of the bros. If she wakes up a little bit, then of course she'll probably make a little debut on the camera here. But I'm telling you, dude, I ran my risks here. Okay, I can put her back down in the basement and shut the door and scare the crap out of myself again if she decides to come out and jump up on my back in the middle of a live stream. Or I could just let her sit here in the middle of a live stream and we'll be good. Sorry if I bring it up, but what happened to Bitcoin ETF token? Giovanni, never be sorry to bring it up, man. Bitcoin ETF token is trading right now, but the last time we looked at it, it was breaking down through support. I think a lot of people lost trust in Bitcoin ETF token after they didn't soar or didn't take off when the Bitcoin ETF was launched. So she's now the official mascot. She's sitting right here, dude, and she's just, she's loving it. Bro Kitty Coin Inu coming soon, ladies and gentlemen. Where's the other half, Tim? Man, Tim, I haven't seen. Oh, there he is. Tim's right here. All right, let's pull up Bitcoin ETF token and see where that's at real quick. Dang, man, Small is actually looking pretty good there. All right, BTC ETF. It's the green one. It's this one. Down again today. All right. So Bitcoin ETF token, man. It did launch at the end of December. It began trading, moving higher. Okay, but very strange. As soon as the ETF news came out, you had like a major sell-off in BTC ETF. It pulled up, it had some support here at the half a cent, the 0.4 of a cent mark. Had some resistance at half a cent, I guess. Had some support at 0.4 of a cent, fell through that, and threw some support on the screen at 0.2 of a cent. Unfortunately, last week, it fell through that. Now, I'm going to put another line of support on here. Guys, look at this. 24-hour volume. This is pretty rough, right? This is pretty rough for a coin that had a major pre-sale and a lot of hype going into it. $485 worth of volume is very difficult to see, knowing how big that pre-sale was. So I'm going to put another line on the screen right here so we can get some support down in this 1.7 tenths of a cent area to see if it breaks down even below that. But yeah, dude, 6,000 holders here, only $485 being traded. If that's the case, unless there's a major sell-off, it does seem as though this is going to be a pretty strong level of support. You're going to need some pretty big sells to come in with $245,000 in the liquidity pool. You're going to need some pretty big sells, and $400 in 24-hour volume is not going to be big enough to really drop the price. So watch out for that. But yeah, man, Bitcoin ETF token, it did okay on launch at the end of December there, but has been falling down ever since. And my best guess as to why is because of the problems that they did have with their launch, coupled with the fact that the Bitcoin ETF didn't make Bitcoin soar. So that's my best guess there. Let's see. Send me way you now. Me or somebody else? Truck broke last night, so I'm off today. Kai, is that a good thing or a bad thing, man? Are you glad to have the day off or no pay if your truck's broken? So no pay means bad day. What do we got going on there, Kai? You glad to be off or no? Mo, butcher's fees and cover the cost of butchering. Let's see. What did Tim say? Oh, where's the other half, Tim? Honorarium. Oh, just can't. Now I understand what Outdoor Smile was saying. I had to scroll back up in the chat to see what Tim was saying there. Outdoor Smile, post pics in the Discord after the live. There you go, Tim. It actually sounds pretty interesting to me as well. Bro, Honorarium has more volume on the 24 hour. Yeah, Honorarium, which is ridiculous, man. I mean, that was a very hyped up pre-sale coin that has 6,000 holders and millions of dollars in market cap. So, dude, it's a testament to truly how awesome Honorarium is doing. And Smog currently sitting at 2.9 cents, guys. I don't know if it's going to have a dip down or not, but I actually feel a little responsible, yes, but lucky at the same time. So, which is why I always throw that disclaimer out there. Don't go out and buy this coin if you guys don't want to own this coin. But I do think it's very cool that we had a sponsored video able to be released on the very first day of launch. I mean, I didn't get in, and I don't know how many people actually would have been able to get in before the 10x increase yesterday. But this is pretty cool, man, to see that if you would have bought in yesterday, you're already up 50%. I think they lost trust because they were out of Singapore. Giovanni, I don't know if it had to deal with the address of where they were. I honestly think they lost a lot of trust, and I honestly think they lost a lot of potential holders and traders because of the launch. So many people having issues, and then of course it didn't help that they weren't immediately there to respond to everything on their Twitter account. I never know how big the size of these teams are, and I get it that you can't answer every single comment and every single DM and so on, but dude, you can clearly post that you're on an issue, you're trying to resolve it, and so on. You can be transparent with people. And they didn't have that in a time where a lot of people were very nervous. And dude, I mean there's no quicker way to kill a coin, or there's no quicker way to kill some trust than to have an issue and ignore people. So I think that was the main issue, not necessarily the address that they used, but the fact that they didn't address the concerns head on as soon as they were there. I mean, dude, when people are blowing up your Twitter page saying they're having issues and they're nervous about their coins and stuff like that, you can't ignore that crap, man. Okay, bros, happy hour is calling. Geoped, enjoy it, man. Shiba is too expensive now. I missed out. How high do you think XRP can go, especially during a bull run? So, Master, during the next bull run, I don't know, exactly what price we're going to hit. This might sound crazy to a lot of people, but I put Ripple one day, Ripple, not necessarily XRP, but I put Ripple one day at $1 trillion valuation. Okay, Ripple is in a relatively newer industry. Is blockchain finance, international finance using blockchain. It's very similar to the banking industry, and it's essentially bigger, faster, cheaper, more secure, and so on. So I do think that Ripple can be a $1 trillion company. That's reserved for the largest companies in the world. You're talking Googles, Apples, Nvidias, and so on. But I think Ripple gets there. Now, the question that you're asking is, how high do I think that XRP is going to go? I think that a combination of Ripple, once they IPO, and they have their stock trading on the stock market, that combined with XRP could be seeing the valuation at $1 trillion. So I don't know if XRP goes solely to $1 trillion, if it's 500 billion, 500 billion, if it's 100 billion, 900 billion, or what the combination is going to be. But I do think that it can be a $1 trillion company. I know about Procol Harum. Does that count? Whiter shade of pale. No idea what we're talking about right there. What do you think about Fire Token? Matic Dance. Are you talking about Matic Dance? You're not talking about dog in fire, right? Are you talking about dog in fire, or are you talking about I think Levi was creating a token called Fire Token. Let me know which one you're talking about first, because this is the first one that comes to my mind right here. This one is crazy, man. This is on my personal watch list to buy if it does die out, okay? And it saw a huge decline today, but I'm more interested in it down here at these levels and not getting in on yesterday's massive rally. So which one are you talking about? Are you talking about Levi's Fire Token, or are you talking about Dog with Fire? Dog and Fire. Who did you hear something about Shib will be on CoinGecko or Giovanni, I did not hear that, man. I did not hear that. Not sure if I'm glad to be off or not. Not as much overtime to invest on next bet. Yeah, Kai, I get you on that, dude. Everybody does need a little bit of a break, though. So don't kick yourself if you were really looking forward to that overtime paycheck and it didn't happen. Just utilize it. It's nothing that you could have done to go into work today or not. It's your truck. It broke, man. So take it for what it is, and I guess just make the best out of it. Won't be in lives tomorrow. Monday night, my great aunt, my grandma's sister, passed away. I'll be traveling and attending the funeral tomorrow. Frank, man, I'm sorry to hear that. I don't know if you guys were close or anything like that, but yeah, dude, I remember. It's been a very long time now, but it would have been, dude. It was my grandma's aunt. So I think it would have been my great aunt. She passed away, and man, that's been a long time now. And she's the one, dude. In my grandpa's basement, when we were moving a bunch of stuff from the flood, she's the one who had every single checkbook in a box. Every single check, man, that she ever wrote, her checkbooks were down in that box, and it was pretty cool, man. I looked at a couple of them, and they're like, mortgage payments and stuff and just normal payments and stuff from like the 1950s or 1960s or something like that. Absolutely crazy. So hopefully everybody in the family's good, man. I realistically think $3 to $5 next bull run. Yeah, honorarium. That I think that's doable because it's been at those levels before, right? A lot of people are telling you thousands of dollars and so on, but XRP next bull run, and I don't know when, but $1 trillion price point, I think, takes you somewhere around that $10 mark. I could be wrong. I forget the total supply on XRP. Gary, I think Levi has another one though. I know he had Blaze that he was doing like with Shiba Inu coin and stuff, but I think he was trying to start another coin. Did gonna help Terra Luna Classic. Matic Dance. So I think you are talking about Levi's token, right? I don't know. I don't know if he's going to help Terra Luna Classic or not with it. So I think the idea behind Fire Token is to do some sort of a pre-sale, raise a bunch of money, and then use that money to buy mining equipment in Canada. I think the kid lives in Canada. And utilize extremely cheap electricity. I think he's got electricity for like 2 cents or 3 cents an hour or something like that, which is very cheap. I think mine is like 15 or 13 cents or something crazy. So like 10 or 13 cents, something like that. So it would be very cheap electricity if he is able to do that. And then, of course, the idea is to use the profits from the Bitcoin mining to go out there, redistribute to holders, and burn these coins as well. So, Matic Dance, I just don't know if he's going to be able to do that, man. Honorarium! Honorarium plus coin market cap equals rocket, 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 baby. You know what? Let's see if these guys, since they did a fair launch, it's not like they raised any money. Since this was a fair launch on Smog, it's not like they raised any money to go out and do a pre-sale and be listed and all that stuff there. But I want to see if Smog's on CoinMarketCap. And it may be simply because of... Nah, it's actually not, dude. Wow. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. They must not have paid, and they didn't even get listed on CoinMarketCap yet, Dark Bro. So, think about that, too. You know, this coin is crazy volume, over $1 million in the last 24 hours, or 600,000 in the last 24 hours. Since launch, it's almost $2 million, I believe. But even they didn't get listed on CoinMarketCap. I don't know if they'll be paying for it. I'm sure they'll be paying for a CoinMarketCap listing, though, because 50% of their token supply is for marketing purposes. So I'm sure that they are going to pay for a coin if CoinMarketCap doesn't list them, right? That's the thing there. CoinMarketCap should probably list these guys because they have done like $2 million in volume. And I think they've already got 1,000 plus holders. But, dude, Honorarium, when CoinMarketCap does list Honorarium there, here's what people are going to see. Okay, there are people all day long that have this page held up here. All day long, they have this page held up. Web3 Wars. I don't know about some of these blockchains. Okay, we'll look at these listings here. 13 hours ago, Dynasty Wars. Let's see what Dynasty Wars is doing because it was listed on CoinMarketCap 13 hours ago. Let's pull it up on Dex Tools and see how long they were trading before they got listed. If it loads. Promise I paid my internet. Actually, I don't even know if I paid my internet. It's auto pay, so if I didn't pay it, it's the bank's fault. Dynasty Wars, here you go. Alright, this CoinMarketCap listing actually didn't have that large of an effect on Dynasty Wars, dude. Dynasty Wars absolutely ripping up in value the first into second day of trading here, going from 80 cents to $5.50, and then right back down to 87 cents. And it did get listed on CoinMarketCap 13 hours ago. So that probably would have been on this candle right here. And it actually came down on that CoinMarketCap listing. So I would imagine Dynasty Wars was probably trending up here on the top of this screen. Oh, geez. What is this on the Solana network? What is going on, man? Shib with hat. From yesterday, like 4 zeros and a 7. What? Dude, 4 zeros and a 7 to 2 zeros and a 2. It's like a 30 or 40x gain since yesterday. Should I put Shib with hat on my watch list here. And when this major red candle comes in and drops the price back down to here, do I get in? Because I'm going to be serious, man. I might rather have Shib with hat than Shib. Yeah, I'm going to put it on my watch list, man. I'm going to watch this one if this dies out. I might rather have Shib with hat than Pinky. Hold on here. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, I got this one on my watch list. Pump and dump on that one. Let them dump it. And dude, you know what? I'm okay with putting, $50 or whatever, and not to suggest you guys do anything similar. But to go out there and just grab one of these coins, $50 worth or $100 worth or something, after it dies back down a little bit, if it gets a resurrection in 30x's, 50x's, 100x's, and all of a sudden you're sitting on $3,000 to $5,000 worth one of these dumb little coins, I think you're absolutely killing it on that. Shout out to Claybro. Long live and prosper. Will Major, man. Glad to have you in here right now. I don't want to check out Tim's meat. Oh, you mean his beef? Yeah, dude. Both of them, man. Both of them. Any kind of meat that Tim's got there. Tim's a farmer, dude. Check out all that meat. They should be listed. If I had that, it would already be done. Honorarium, man. Dude, honorarium, dead serious. Like, I think a lot of people in here can see you are a hustler, man. You are a hustler. I truly do believe that you would have been on CoinMarketCap 5 or 6 times by now if Honorarium was doing $1 million plus in volume. So I actually believe your statement there. Clay, do you think that Ripple court stuff will be done before the Bitcoin halving by the end of the year, before 25 bull? Listen, Giovanni, let me put it this way. Yes, I hope so. But I know there is so much money to be made for these stupid lawyers, both at the SEC and at Ripple. I really don't know. Dude, and this might be a bad way to put it, but lawyers are like politicians, okay? They don't necessarily ever care to solve problems. They just want to continue working and continue collecting that paycheck. So I would have actually thought the SEC and Ripple could have made a decision a long time ago on the Ripple court case, dude, years ago. But here we are and continuing to look at it. I would hope the answer is yes, but dude, I know that there's hundreds of millions of dollars just waiting to go to these shark lawyers who will keep this litigation going on for years. So in that respect, I don't think that they actually want to solve it, man. I really don't think that they actually want to solve this court case. Outdoor Smiles on the Discord. Claybro, much ignore my beef. I'll never ignore Tim's beef, dude. Never ignore Tim's beef. Let's see what we got here. Oh, dang, man. Tim, you need to drive up to my house, man. Cashed in the Wagyu. Wagyu, is that how you say it? Wagyu? I don't even know how to say it. Steer. The shanks, ribs, and fillets are already in the freezer. Tim's making me hungry, man. Tim's got the meat, man. Tim's meat is looking good. Honorarium. Look at this, dude. Look at this. First of all, Honorarium is sending me a king turkey, which is probably going to scare the crap out of this just peacefully sleeping cat right here. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? This cat is probably going to leave and get scared the moment you make me do a king turkey, and that is not going to be good, dude. I don't know if the cat's ever experienced a king turkey there, but duty calls. Duty calls. Honorarium. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And, well, you know what? Maybe the cat just thinks I'm a little weird, but it definitely woke her up. But I think she's okay, man. I think she's okay. Why go? Okay, come back down there. Alright, we're good there. Unidex is still climbing. I'm going to pull it up here. Hey, bro, go to the Discord and meet Gaze, man. I'm gazing at that. I'm gazing at Tim's meet right there, and it is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not in the Discord, make sure to join the Discord. Okay, I wish I could continue making them, but I had to stop because it showed my real address. What did Gary say? Dude, I got you. People ask about keychains on the regular. Okay. Dang, it was showing your real address when you... Honorarium, man. Just... Well, I don't know where you were selling them. Or how you were shipping them. Dude, just ship them out yourself. Go to the post office and put a P.O. box or just no return address on there if you want. That should be fine. That should be fine, man. Biggable Coke. Oh, Gary. He changed his name. Gary, I see you. I thank you. Gary, thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you, Gary, for the mustache. I see you. Gary changing his name from Biggable Coke back to Gary. I like it, man. Thank you very much for that mustache, man. Unidex AI weekly chart is amazing. Is it still up 177%? We shall find out right now. Unidex. All right, what do we got? Unidex AI. Man, dude, $11 a coin. Why does that say $9.94? It says $11 a coin. Pull that up here. I was making them and selling on Etsy. Yeah, dude, I don't know why these people have to put your address on places, man. You know, we don't want everybody to know our address. It's okay. Don't put a return address on these things. Unidex AI, man. 42% gain on the day today, sitting about $11 per coin. The weekly is insane. Oh my gosh, dude. Wasn't it 177 earlier? I thought it was 177 earlier. Maybe it jumped up a little bit or something here. It cut off the beginning of the chart. But, dude, 131% weekly gain. Going from lows down here at about $4.70 to $11 per coin. $7 million market cap on Unidex AI. Giovanni, once again, absolutely destroying that trade. I finally found it. The mustache. Get it, Gary. Get it. But I'm looking at options on my merch provider to come out with another option so that way I can continue to have them. Yeah, honorarium, man. Would the merch provider actually show your address, or wouldn't they just ship it from their address? Post a link, dude. I don't know how to find your meat. Are you not in the Discord, Gary? You should be in the Discord. Because of USPS, they have it for pickups. Come on, Etsy. We here. We here. J-Bones. J-Bones, man. You want to see something cool? I don't know how long you've been in here, J-Bones, but check this out. Don't get nervous, okay? Don't get nervous about me doing that. Yeah! Dude, I know you guys saw this cat earlier. Scare the crap out of me because she got out of the basement. But here she is. Here she is, enjoying life. Live stream life. And it is alright. Let's see. No, it shows their shipping address, not mine. Good. Honorarium from the warehouse. I bought it when it came out. Unidex AI. Giovanni absolutely killed. You did, man. I remember you bringing that up, too. I remember you bringing that trade up. Unidex AI. I don't even know how long it's been out here. Been out since, I think, February 1st. $3.70 price range after launch, and at about $4 there. So, yeah, man, somewhere right in that area. Giovanni grabbing $4.25 or whatever. Unless, of course, you got in before it was listed on CoinMarketCap. That part I don't know about. So, did you get it before it was listed on CoinMarketCap or after it was listed on CoinMarketCap? I don't like the Discord. Ask Honorarium. It was a PETA just to get me set up to help me build my coin. No, that I believe. Okay, now I know what P stands for. That I believe, dude. I actually really did not like Discord before I started the Discord because I had no idea what Discord was. Like all the different chat rooms and all the different channels and all of that stuff. You guys remember Danger, right? He came in here for a while, long time ago. One of my friends, he had a few Discord channels that he was in, like some NFTs and stuff like that. So I joined a couple of those channels, and I literally had no idea what was happening and why I was getting messages and notifications 50 times a day and all this stuff. And I didn't know how to leave a room. I didn't know how to do a chat room. Like, it was crazy. But JB really did a lot of work with this Discord here and set it up very nice. So I do thank JB for everything he did there, because I would have had no idea how to do any of that stuff. Mo, I done do good with my homemade stylus. Very, very nice. You done do good, Pudgy. You done do good. J-Bones, man. This cat is just, like, literally, I hope it's still alive, man. It's just laying here and sleeping on my lap. I was told years old, I was today years old, when I learned that Mountain Dew makes 5% alcohol sodas. Game changer. Oh, Tim. I enjoyed life more when my parents let me out of the basement. I imagine you would, Kai. I imagine it was probably pretty recent as well, wasn't it? It was probably a pretty recent occurrence for you there. Good to be back. Take a look at Satellite Doge 1 mission. Felipe, is this a coin or is this something else? Because I thought I saw something like this trending on Twitter. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's down 30% today. For $3.69 million market cap. Still a fresh coin, I believe. It's been out since November of 2023. Where did this volume come from? Alright, so it's all-time graph. Satellite Doge 1 mission. Knowing that it's fallen through this support, that it is currently falling through 004 support, currently sitting at 00376, I would probably wait. It's touching this level right here, right now, 00376. So it is at a little level of support. But man, I wouldn't be surprised if it tested 001, 0015, possibly all the way down to 0015 again here, or even 001 flat. I would not buy this one as it's falling. It's falling, but the volume is also fading out. You're going to need a huge spike in volume like this to see a huge spike in the price. And I don't know why it spiked like this at the end of December here. What was this, December 19th? I don't know why it would have spiked like this. So if you can replicate something like that, yeah, you can make some pretty sweet gains with it. But you're going to have a major spike in volume to get there. She owns you now, Clay. No, dude. I own her now. She's sitting on my lap. I'm not sitting on her lap. Come on. But, dude, I will tell you, I think you guys can probably see, maybe, my face is, like, really dry. Like, 3 days ago, whenever I had such a bad allergic reaction, my face was just covered in raw hives, welts, whatever they were. Dried the crap out of my skin, dude. Messed me up, too. Tried the crap out of my skin there. But I've been on Tim's superhuman juice for like the last 2 days now. So I got that turmeric speed. I got that turmeric strength. I got that turmeric in my body with some black pepper to help with absorption. So thank you, not outdoor. It was Old Rounder, right? Old Rounder that came across that one. You had a basement? Lucky. I had a cardboard box. Honorarium, man. Some of us are luckier than others, man. Some of us are luckier. Clay, not ever buying Celestia. Giovanni! Don't tell me Celestia is well above 20 right now. Let's see what it's doing. Dang it, dude. Hey, Giovanni, can you just give me one of your Celestia so that I can say I'm in? Just give me one of your Celestia. I'll say I'm in on that one then with you, dude. I'll say I'm in. I'll hold some Celestia with you. Let's see. Mo G. Yep. He is now her personal slave. No, no, no. I don't want to be nobody's personal slave. Claybro, allergies seem not so bad. Turmeric. Nah, I just gotta get you to try Shilajit. I don't even know what that is, Tim. The allergies actually are not bad right now. I'm 2 days strong into my Superman juice. I do have my cough. I gotta kick that cough. And I know the cough is only there because of the other night. The other night, dude, it jacked me up. Like my face is still dry. You guys can, I know you guys can see that right there. My face is still dry. I've been putting some moisturizer on it too. It's really not helping that much. But I know that's dried out because of the other night, Tuesday night or Monday night, I think it was. And I know the cough is from Monday night. So, dude, if I kick those, like I am flabbergasted by the fact that I have a cat laying on my lap right now. I should be messed up right now. I should honestly be messed up right now. And I'm not. I just still got a couple things to kick from Monday night when something happened there. Honorary made a box out of dog crate. Well, dude, at least yours might have been plastic. The narrative about Doge 1 going to the... Ooh, okay. Felipe. Now, is this like just taking a Dogecoin to the moon? Or is this like they're trying to do something with that $4 million project? Claybro, thoughts on GRC? Gorman Rupp. It's a stock. Let's check it out. Dude, the keyboard thing was sliding out, the little keyboard thing, and she stopped it with her paw. Like, no, don't come that close to me. All right. GRC. Gorman Ruppco. Let's see where we're at here. I'm not logged in. Yeah, it's not going to show me their profile. Don't know exactly what they do. Are these guys like defense? Is this a defense stock or what is this here? All right, well, the monthly looks phenomenal. It does have a very nice long-term chart here. Median trend line. Dude. I mean, if we're just being honest with each other, and if you can wait, I do think that if it breaks this little, you do have horizontal resistance right here, okay, $36, and this is on a technical standpoint. If it breaks this level, yeah, you're probably coming up to $40. You might not think that that's that great of a gain. I still think it's a great gain if it breaks this 2019 level. Now, man, what do you guys notice about this stock here? For the last 24 years, and honestly, if you pull these back, it's gonna touch. These lows are gonna touch back here. You can see it, right? Yeah, kind of skewed my angle a little bit, but you can see that it essentially touches that angle right there. Long term, buy when it hits this lower trend line, and then get a little more conservative if you want when you make it to the middle trend line, and sell when it hits this trend line right here. I mean, this is 24 years worth of technical analysis on the chart. You might be sitting on this stock for a year before you sell it. Nice long-term capital gain. You might have to wait a year before you end up getting back into it. And you can be a little bit more aggressive if you want to buy in this area and start buying back on its way down here. But, dude, technically speaking, this is like textbook technical analysis. Buy in this channel down here. Sell in this channel up here. You're going to be making money. Oh my gosh, and you guys can't see a single stupid thing. It's textbook analysis, and I'm blinded to it. Let's see. I live in a barn with hogs when it was above freezing. There you go, Tim. Sheila Jeet. I don't know what that is, Tim. I really don't. Hey, who are you rooting for in the Super Bowl? The winning team. I honestly have no idea who's in the Super Bowl, Giovanni. I'm sorry. Yeah, David, man. That was my bad there. I'm going to let you guys see it on the screen, though, for a minute. Because, Tim, that is textbook. Honorarium XRP to a million, billion, trillion, $1 quadrillion. Let's get started. All right, I will make this promise to you guys right now. If XRP goes to a quadrillion dollar per coin, and I am still holding XRP when it's at $1 quadrillion per coin, I will buy every single one of you in here the Ferrari of your choice. I don't care if it's $1 million Ferrari. I don't care if it is just, the brand new one that they got coming out, or some collector's item that the guy won't part with it unless you give him $10 million for it. If XRP goes to a quadrillion dollars, and I am still holding XRP when it is a quadrillion dollars per coin, you guys all get the Ferrari of your choice. Clip it if you want. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says, for J-Bones is better half. There you go, Moji. Absolutely appreciate the king turkey there. And the cat looking around like, what the heck is going on? But the cat's still laying on my lap. Man, you guys can't even scare this cat away. I'm only watching for Taylor Swift. So Kansas City must be in the Super Bowl, right? Kansas City must be in the Super Bowl. Outdoor Smile. LimeWire. Ricky, you want to check out LimeWire? Going on eBay. Buy now for $1.5 million. The penny? Vecna. We got ourselves an OG bro coming back in the game. Oh my gosh, Vecna. Oh my gosh, Vecna is back. Oh, what the heck, dude? Some of you guys disappear forever, and I forgot about that screen name even existing. And then here we are, Vecna, man. Guess who's back? Back again. Vecna's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Vecna's back. Vecna's back. Vecna, man, what's going on? Glad to have you in here, and I love to see that bro skull right there. Vecna, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't want a Ferrari. Italian junk. Used to be Fiat owned, and we know Fiat stands for fix it again, Tony. All right. I will just give you the cash instead. Okay? I will give you the cash instead. $250,000 cash payout or the Ferrari of your choice. How about that? Does that fly with all of you guys for my XRP deal? If XRP goes to $1 quadrillion a coin and I am still holding it, I will which I'm not going to be holding XRP to $1 quadrillion a coin, just to let you guys know. But if it does, and I'm holding to $1 quadrillion a coin, I will give you guys your choice. $250,000 payout or the Ferrari of your choice. Sounds good? My mega down a lot. Screenshot on coin market cap showed the deployer took profit. Oh, Caesar. Which one? Because I got a few of those on my watch list here. I want to see which one's down before I go type it in and then it just doesn't show up like yesterday. That's the biggest bull. Dude, the two I'm looking at here that are on my watch list, one's up 4.9% and one's up 3.4%. So let's see which one you might be talking about. If they pull it up here. This one, the one that's down 20 or the one that's down 35%? Yeah, these are both down pretty big today. 6 zeros and a 6 or 5 zeros and a 4-5. Either way, yeah, that is down pretty big today, man. Could be a buying opportunity if you guys are interested, though. This one, $459,000 market cap, is still a very small market cap. Clay, remember the days we talked about Shiba hitting a penny? We'll all go to Italy and party it up. That talk is gone. Well, you know what, Giovanni? I think we could still do it, though, man. If Shiba Inu coin does hit a penny, I'm still on board for that. If anybody else is on board for it, we'll do it. But speaking of Italy, though, dude, I think Satoshi truly is from Italy. I really do. I think he's from Italy. Maybe we can meet up Satoshi in Italy there. And listen, if Shib goes to a penny, he can party with us. We don't have to like the guy to party with him, but he can party with us if we go to Italy. I have a really bad arthritis in my hands and hips. Best anti-inflammatory ever. Just buy the stuff from India or Nepal. How the heck do I get it here from Nepal? Okay, let's go here. Because I don't know what this guy's making me Google. Seems legit. I don't know what that is, man. But seems legit there. Look, dude, I ain't going for this one. That's a little much. Standard size, 500 grams, $867. No, thank you. My gosh, dude. $1,500. That seems a little more reasonable if you're going to try it out. Dang. Well. Very potent and very safe dietary supplement, restoring the energetic balance and potentially able to prevent several diseases. Dang, dude, I need to get this for my grandpa. Yeah, dude. Tim, where you get your stuff at, man? Where you get your stuff at there? 72 Pantera may be unattainable. Well, you know what? We'll attain it for you, Outdoor Smile. If we're talking about a Ferrari, and we're talking about quadrillion-dollar XRP, we're going to make it happen, man. We're going to make it happen. Let's see. I don't know. I find it funny that Vitalik and Elon were chatting on Twitter and talked about meeting up at a crypto convention and creating a coin together. Then a few months later, after that convention, here comes Shiba Inu. Very interesting. Giovanni. Very interesting. I truly don't think Elon is Satoshi or anything like that, though, man. See y'all tomorrow, PM. Have a great... How in the world is it already 5 o'clock, man? Look at this little girl just... you can't see her. Look at this little girl just stretching out right there. Loving life at the moment. Thank you guys very much for being in here. I'll pull this back in here. Yeah. Screw it down. Ricky, well, we'll look at LimeWire in tomorrow's live stream, man. I'm sure it's running today. I'm sure it's looking very good. Right after I say honorarium. Thank you very much for the super chat. Honorarium says closing statement from Honorarium. Once we get listed on CoinMarketCap, and we will pull Honorarium up so that you guys can see it on the way out because of the Honorarium closing arguments here. Where did it go? There. What does he say? Play it again. Closing statement from Honorarium. Once we get listed on CoinMarketCap, a world of new possibilities will emerge. That, coupled with Paul Chain, will make us a force to be reckoned with. Honorarium will have its explosive future soon enough. Honorarium, thank you very much for that super chat. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back this evening with videos, and watch them, like them, all that good stuff. If you guys see the link at the top of the screen, that is for Smog token. I ask, even if you guys don't want to buy it, just click the link, check it out. These guys are going to be evaluating how many people are interested in the token based on clicks on that link that's pinned to the top of the chat there. So if you would at least check it out, you don't have to buy anything. Okay, they're not tracking my buys or anything like that, but they are tracking the level of engagement. So you don't have to spam it either. So it's not like you got to go click it 100 times a day. Just once is fine. If you guys would just check that out, see what the project's all about, make a decision if you guys want to make a decision on it. But I definitely appreciate all of the support because I would love continued sponsored videos there. So thank you guys very much in advance. Tim, man, have a wonderful evening. Ricky, see you later. Gorilla, Outdoor Smile, Moji, see you later, man. Gary, Biggable Coke, have a great one, dude. We got Giovanni, Johnny Quest, Honorarium, dropped internet connection, Outdoor Smile, see you later, man. Giovanni, have a great day. We've got Gorilla, Invictus, Giovanni, Pudgy saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Roulette Wheel, Small, cough, cough. Definitely Roulette Wheel. See you later, man. Whit Reed, Caesar, Tim, see you later. Later to you, SD. Toodles to you, Kai. Outdoor Smile, Honorarium, Gary, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.